Alam mo yung feeling araw-araw kang nagtatrabaho abroad, nagpapadala, nag-iipon, nagsasakripisyo. Pero minsan mapapaisip ka talaga, di ba? Saan kaya talaga napupunta ang lahat ng pagod mo? Kasi hindi naman tayo umalis para habang buhay malayo sa pamilya. Umalis tayo para may mabuo, na para may maihanda, para pag-uwi natin, may masasabi tayong, finally, may napundar na ako. Real talk, hindi sapat na masipag lang tayo. Kailangan din natin maging smart sa kung saan natin nilalagay yung pinaghihirapan natin. So, kaya kung OFW ka or may family member ka abroad, real estate is one of those things na worth nating pag-isipan. Kasi habang nagtatrabaho ka ngayon, pwedeng unti-unti mo rin binubuo yung future na uuwian mo. Welcome to Futura East at East Town by Philinvest Land. Located inside East Town, a 7.9-hectare township development in Barangay Santo Domingo, Felix Avenue, Cainta, Rizal. Hindi lang siya basta condo, it's part of a bigger community with commercial areas, open spaces, and low-density mid-rise residential developments. Meaning, land yung environment mo. So, hindi siya sisikat. Tara! Alam naman natin kapag property, location talaga ang labanan. Kasi kung madali siyang puntahan, mas madali siyang tirahan. Kung convenient siya for daily life, mas attractive din siya for future tenants. And that's one of the good things about Futura East. Nasa Cainta siya, pero connected ka sa important areas like Pasig, Ortigas, Marikina, Antipolo, and even Quezon City. So whether for your own family, for future rental, or for long-term investment, may practical reason kung bakit okay yung location. Imagine this, kapag kailangan mong mag-grocery, malapit lang ang options like SM Hypermarket, Robinsons Supermarket, and Cainta Public Market. Pag gusto mong lumabas with family, kumain, mag-shopping, or mag-relax, nearby lang din ang SM City East Ortigas, Bridgetown Central Park, Robinsons Cainta, Santa Lucia East Grand Mall, and Ayala Malls Feliz. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumayo para lang sa basic needs. And for OFWs, malaking bagay ito, diba? Kasi kapag umuwi ka, gusto mo yung home na convenient. Hindi ka na masyadong stress sa traffic, errands, and everyday needs. For families, another big plus is having schools and hospitals within reach. For healthcare, nearby options include Ortigas Hospital and Healthcare Center, and other medical facilities around Cainta, Pasig, and Ortigas area. For schools naman, you also have nearby institutions like Lorenzo Luis de Manila School and National University East Ortigas. And within the wider nearby area, accessible din ang major schools like Ateneo de Manila University, Miriam College, and of course, University of the Philippines, Diliman. So kung may anak ka, may student sa family, or iniisip mo yung future tenant profile, importanteng may schools nearby, diba? Kasi ang magandang location, hindi lang maganda dapat tingnan. Dapat, practical talaga sa daily. Another thing to like here, you have access to major roads and transport connections. You're near Felix Avenue, Ortigas Avenue Extension, and Marcos Highway. May access din toward the LRT2 Marikina Pasig Station, which helps connect residents to more parts of the metro. So whether papunta ka ng work, school, mall, or family errands, mas madali kang makakagalaw. And for investment, accessibility is always a plus.
Kasi tenants usually ask simple questions. Malapit ba siya sa work? May sakayan ba? May mall ba? May hospital ba? Convenient bang tumira? Kapag yes ang sagot, mas attractive yung property, right? Inside East Town, Futura East brings that clean, modern, and relaxed community. It's composed of 7 modern minimalist buildings designed to create balance and harmony. Hindi siya overwhelming sa living. It's calm, it's holy. It's valid for people who want convenience but still want living space. So for OFWs, this can be more than just a living. It can be a future home, your family's home, or your first step into real estate. And of course, may amenities din tayo dito para mas complete yung living experience. You have a gate and guardhouse for security, a clubhouse for gatherings and community activities. For adult and kiddie, we have swimming pools for family weekends, a pet zone for fur parents, and a kids play area for families with children. Plus, gym for your fitness, basketball area for active and relaxed lifestyles. So hindi lang siya tulugan. It's a place where you can actually live, rest, bond, and enjoy. And what's nice is, hindi lang siya concept or drawing. May real progress na. Building A is already complete with turnover already started in October of 2025 last year. Building B is almost complete with turnover targeted to start by July of 2026. And lastly, our Building C is ongoing and the turnover targeted on May of 2028. So depende sa timeline mo. May option kung gusto mo ng mas sooner or kung mas long-term planning ang target mo. Silipin naman natin ngayon ang actual deliverable unit ng 2-bedroom. Tara! Spacious, right? So this is your kitchen countertop, of course your sink and kitchen cabinets. And then we also have here our toilet. Have your toilet, shower, and a provision for the washing machine. So here we have our provision for the refrigerator. Dito naman tayo sa ating bedroom 1. With provision for a AC unit. And our bedroom number 2. So this also will be your living space for your visitors, and this will be your dining area. So there you have it. This is the actual deliverable unit for a 2-bedroom.
For the 2-bedroom unit, practical yung layout. You have the space for living room, dining and kitchen, and of course, the master's bedroom and another bedroom. Simple, compact, and functional.
For those who want to start smaller, Building C also has studio units. You get a functional living, dining, and kitchen area plus toilet and bath. So this is a good option for young professionals, starter investors, or OFWs who want to begin with something more manageable. Kasi minsan, hindi kailangan sobrang laki agad. Ang importante, nakapagsimula ka. Siyempre, importante rin yung payment options. So for buildings A and B, there's a promo with up to 35% discount with 5% down payment payable within 11 months and 95% bank financing. And for building C, we have 12% payable in 36 months and 88% for bank financing. This is for studio units only.
This is Futura East at East Town. A practical home, a connected location, a growing community, and a smart step for OFWs who want to build something real. Kasi hindi tayo OFW forever. One day, uuwi rin tayo. And when that day comes, ang sarap umuwi, di ba? Na may napundar, may plano, at may future na hinanda for you. Futura East at East Town. Start building your future today. From OFW to OF winner.